Follow the suggestion in this video to get the best out of my coffees.
Let us brew coffee from Kenya together. This is Gatugi from the Nyeri region. The varieties SL28, SL34 and Batian, and the fermentation is a classic Kenya washed. For more details on this coffee, please visit our web shop. To get the flavors of Gatugi into your cup, we recommend this recipe. You need 300 grams of third wave water at 91 degrees Celsius in the kettle. Weigh 20 grams of coffee and grind on click 23 of your Comandante for a rich body. To avoid any unwanted flavors, rinse the paper with hot brewing water. This also warms your V60. Now add the ground coffee and shake the filter for an even extraction. Get ready for the 3 pours, producing a clear and balanced cup profile. First pour, 50 grams in 5 seconds, blooming. Release the trapped CO2 from the roast process. After 30 seconds, the second pour, 150 grams over 20 seconds in circular pouring, soft agitation. And finally, after 1 minute, get ready for the third pour, 100 grams over 10 seconds circular pouring, the last 50 grams of which as center pour. Swirl at 1 minute and 40 seconds. The total brew time is 2 minutes and 15 seconds. This releases flavors of vanilla, grapefruit, honey and blackberry in your cup. Enjoy!